Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a regular Sudoku medium in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, July the 27th, 2022. We have here in this daily newspaper three regular puzzles. The first one I have already solved, the binary. Then I will do the medium Sudoku, and the third one is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And in this newspaper there's also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. So today a lot of puzzles, 3 regular puzzles, and half of the additional will be 4 puzzles. So 3 plus 4 is 7 puzzles today I will do. Alright, but first the Sudoku medium. Number 4916. 4916. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the number yeah, which number can I pick? We have a 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that middle column. So the column between, the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row. So no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. Oh, we already have a 1. I can count now. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 1. Okay. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last column. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. Cannot continue with the 4. How about 3, 6, 9. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row. 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this third row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, digit number 2, number 3. Okay. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. The 9 and the 5, 9 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5, 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. 8, 9, 6. We have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. How about these 3 missing numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Let me mark those. 2, 5, 6. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. 8 and a 9 in this big square. 8 and the 9. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, and look, we have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So here can be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this row. We have the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8. The 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. Then 2 Thinking. 5. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 and 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. We have a 7 and a 4 in this row, so no 7 and 4 in these two boxes. The 7 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. So the other pair in this big square should be for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. The 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, second column. So no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this second row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4, it goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more, that box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, and the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 5, I believe. We have a 2 and a 5 marked. So in these two boxes should be also 2 and the 5. Well, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and a 5, I believe. 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Great medium Sudoku. I like this one. Yes, but is this really a 2 stars? Well, no. I give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes, and I like this one. I've enjoyed this puzzle very much. Did you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Yes, on Wednesday we have always 1 killer Sudoku. It's a pity that the publisher skipped the killer Sudokus in the additional. There's no killer Sudokus anymore in the additional puzzle, so only in the Wednesday paper. Alright, so see you then. Bye bye for now.